Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the Education Property Tax Assistance for Seniors program has been administered by the Seniors and Community Supports Ministry since 2005, but not mentioned in any act, administered by any regulations, and is only mentioned as a line item in the annual report. The 72,000 seniors who qualify are supposedly automatically enrolled when they turn 65, except that some of them aren't. So, to the Minister of Seniors, why does the government administer a program with no regulations or legislation, providing no oversight from the Minister?
The Honourable Minister.
Mr. Speaker, I understand that seniors, when they are approaching their 65th birthday, do receive a letter from us outlining what our supports are and requesting that they apply for any of our programs. So if a senior has missed that letter, I can understand that they may not be enrolled in the Education Property Tax Program, but we do send a letter out prior to their 65th birthday to let them know that we have programs and services available.
The Honourable Member.
It actually doesn't work quite that way. So back to the same Minister. Given that some of the seniors, and specifically those who are living in condominiums or mobile homes, say the department staff, are not automatically enrolled, and when they apply for retroactive enrollment, there is an inconsistent application of the back years they're entitled to. So to the same Minister, why is Seniors and Community Supports telling some seniors that they can only get the last 2 fiscal years of education property tax, but the others get more if they fight for it?
The Honourable Minister.
So, Mr. Speaker, I am aware that when a senior inquires about the Education Property Tax Program, that we do supply them with the information they need to have some back payment of that, whatever is owing to them. There are a number of different eligibility, not eligibility, but rules around that, and that is you have to be in a certain place for when you move from your original residence and you start in your new residence. That's when the new property education tax starts on that property. It's a little bit complicated, but I do know that we have an excellent staff.
Actually, that's not written down anywhere, so if you have it, please send it. To the same Minister, given that the regulations for all of the other seniors benefit programs say 11 months of retroactive benefits, but this program has no legislation, no regulations, and no policies written anywhere, could Alberta seniors be given a definitive time when the government will create legislation around this program to ensure that policy directives are applied consistently and not changed arbitrarily and applied differently behind closed doors?
The Honourable Minister.
Mr. Speaker, I know that we have an excellent staff that are very concerned about our seniors and deal with them very well on our voice and person-friendly information line. So I will check into what this honourable member has asked and taken under consideration.